Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ikonkar Coding. In today's session, I will discuss how to implement the hierarchical inheritance. I hope all of you know about the block diagram of the hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is just opposite to the multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, we have two or more than two base classes and we drive a new class. This is the block diagram of the multiple inheritance. Okay, in multiple inheritance we have two or more than two base classes, but in hierarchical inheritance we have only one base class and we drive two new classes from the base class. The thing is here, the new class B and new class C are derived from the base class A. It means suppose here we have some property x comma y. These are the two data members of base class A. Then these properties are transferred to the child class B and these properties are also transferred to the child class C. It means here we have one copy and here we have another copy. Okay. So here now we discuss the code how to implement the hierarchical inheritance. So first we include the header file, then standard packages. So first I create a class A because class A is our base class. So first I am declaring the base class A. Okay. So in the public section we have two data members x and y. Now using the getDataMember function, I import the value in x and y variable. These member function are used to manipulate the x and y data member. That is for inputting the value. I use getDataMember function. In a similar way, I use putDataMember function for displaying the value from x and y variable. And here this function is closed, and here this class is also terminated, and class is terminated by semicolon. So this is our base class. Now we drive a new class B from the base class A. I hope all of you know about the syntax of the inheritance, how we create a new class from the old class. So class is a keyword, B is the name of the drive class, then colon, then visibility mode is public, then base class name is A. So here if the visibility mode is public, then public member of the base class shifted to the public section of drive class, and protected member of base class shifted to the protected section of drive class, and private data members are not inherited. Okay, if the visibility mode is public, I hope all of you know, if the visibility mode is public, then public of base class shifted to the public section of drive class, means public वाले public में शिफ्ट होंगे और protected वाले protected में शिफ्ट होंगे. ठीक है. And private, these public and protected belongs to the base class, this public and protected belong to the drive class. So public वाले public में, protected वाले protected में, if the visibility mode is public, and private data members are never inherited. So in the public section we have only one data member. This data member belongs to the drive class. It means x and y are also shifted here. X and y data member also shifted here. Now we have three data members x, y and z. Now using get one member function, we input the value in z variable. Okay. So here I define this member function. Okay, so using this is a message, and now we input the value in z variable, and before inputting this value I call getDataMember function of class A. Here I write how I call the member function. First I write the class name, because this getDataMember function belongs to class A. So for calling this, first I write class name, then scope resolution operator, then member function name. Okay. So after this, I define put one member function. This member function also belongs to the derived class B. Now when I define this put one member function, first I call put data member function of class A, then I display the value of the z variable, and here function is closed. So after this, here class is also terminated. Here class is also terminated. Okay. Now I derive a new class C. Now this class C is derived from base class A. So class is a keyword. C is the name of the derived class. Okay. Public is the visibility mode. Capital A is the base class name. Now in the public section, I declare this M data member. Now this M data member belongs to the derived class C, and X and Y are also shifted from the class A because public वाले public में shift होंगे. ठीक है, base class के public data member derived class के public section में shift हो जाएंगे because visibility mode is public. That's why. So now get to member function belongs to the class C. Okay. So first I call get data member function of class A because first if I call this get data member function, then what will happen? So first this get data member function is called. When this get data member function is called, then first we input the value in x and y variable. Okay, because in get data member function we input the value in x and y variable. So after this we input the value in m variable. After this I define put two member function. Okay, here first I call put data member function. It will display the value of x and y variable. Okay, then we display the value of the m variable. Okay, here class is also terminated. Okay, derived class is terminated. Now I create a main function. Now in this main function, first I create the object of the first derived class. First derived class is B, second derived class is C. So using the derived class object O1, I call get one member function and put one member function. When get one member function is called, first I input. When the get one member function is called, first which function is called? First get data member function is called. And when the get data member function is called, first we input the value in x and y variable. Okay, suppose here you enter the value in x 10 and then 20. So 10 and 20 will input. Okay, because when this get data member function is called, control jump to function definition of the get data member function, and here you input the value in x and y variable. So here you enter the value 10 and 20. Okay, after this in get one member function, then we input the value in z variable. Suppose here you enter the value in z 30, so 30 will be entered. Okay, so here using the get one member function, three values are entered, 10, 20 and 30. After this put one member function is called. When put one member function is called, control to jump to the function definition of put one member function. Here put data member function is called. So first I display the put data member function of class A. Put data member function of class A is called. Okay, so here first it display the value of x and y. So here 10 and 20 will display because x has a value 10 and y has a value 20. And after this, now we display the value of the m variable. Okay, so here value of the m will display. Okay, sorry, value of z will display. Sorry, value of z is 30, so 30 will display. Okay, because we are calling put one member function. Okay, so here what value will display? So in put one member function, 10, 20 and 30 will display. Okay, after this I create object of the second derived class. O2 is an object of second derived class, that is C. Now using this O2 member function, I call get to member function and put to member function. When get to member function is called, control to jump to function definition here. Now first I call the get data member function of class A. Using the get data member of class A, first I input the value in x and y variable. Suppose here you enter the value in x variable as 40 and 50. After this, after calling get data member function, we input the value in m variable. So here suppose we enter the value 60. After this we are calling put two member function. I hope all of you know how to call a member function. For calling a member function, we require caller object. O2 is the caller object, and dot membership operator is required. Now dot membership operator have two sides, left side and right side. On the left hand side, always use object, caller object, and on the right side always use member function name. When put to member function is called control jump to function definition here. Now first I call the put data member function of class A. So when put data member function of class A is called here, it will display the value of x and y variable. Okay, here you enter the value as 40 and 50. So first 40 and 50 will display. After this control jump to here. After this we are displaying the value of m. You enter the value in m as 60. So now 60 will also display. Okay, so this is the output, then return 0 and program is ended. I hope all of you clear about the concept of the hierarchical inheritance. If anyone have any query, you can comment me in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, kindly comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.